In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add record in Cloudflare. By the end, you'll confidently add a DNS record to the right domain, choose the correct record type, and save your changes without second-guessing any of the fields. First, open your Cloudflare account in your browser and sign in. You'll land on the Cloudflare dashboard, which lists all the domains you've added to your account. Find and click the specific domain you want to work with. Taking a second to confirm you're on the correct domain is important, because DNS changes affect where your traffic goes. Once you're inside that domain settings, look for DNS in the left-hand sidebar or along the top navigation and click it. This takes you to the DNS management area. Here you'll see the records section, which lists any existing DNS entries for that domain. Next, click Add Record. This opens a form where you'll choose the type of DNS record you want. Pick the type that matches your goal. For example, choose A to point a hostname to an IPv4 address, perp for IPv6, sname to alias one hostname to another, MX for mail routing, or TXT for verification or policy data. If you're not sure which to use, think about what you're connecting: a server IP, another hostname, email service, or a verification token. After selecting the type, fill in the fields shown. The name field is the hostname or subdomain you're creating, like www or blog. Use the root symbol if you intend the record to apply to the bare domain. The content field is where the record points. That could be your server's IP address, a target hostname, or a text value depending on the record type. If you see TTL, leaving it on auto is usually fine, unless a provider specifically requires a different value. For records that support it, you may also see a proxy or proxy toggle. Turning it on routes traffic through Cloudflare's network for performance and security. Turning it off leaves the record as DNS only. Some records, such as MX, may include a priority field. Use the value given by your email provider if you're setting up mail. Give your entries a quick review to make sure the name and content are correct and that the proxy setting matches your needs. When everything looks right, click Save. That's it. You've added a DNS record in Cloudflare. Changes typically apply quickly, though some providers may take a little time to recognize updates. If you ever need to adjust something later, return to the DNS record section, edit the entry, and save again.